Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I transformed our laundry / boiler room. For this project I used like a few things that we already had at home, and then I picked up a few bits from like Pound Shop, Flying Tiger and Home Bargains. The video also includes like 2 mini DIYs that you can like try as well at home. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do then please give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, keep watching. Okay, so this is the before of the room. As you can see, it's quite basic, dingy and messy, dirty, like every horrible word that you could think of. This is what our room looks like. It looked even worse, like the floor was disgusting after we pulled out our old washing machine, and it just doesn't go with like the rest of the house, which is like predominantly grey and white. So I thought it's time for it to just have like a new look, and we don't have to feel horrible when we're going in to wash some clothes. So yeah, this is the before. Okay, so here I'm just showing you the holes in the walls that we've got, like mainly around the pipes, and we've just stuffed some wire wool in there, and then we've covered it with some filler, and this will just prevent like any insects or anything coming through, and also give it a much more cleaner and tidier finish. So yeah, so I put some on the wall with like scratches as well, so I can just like sand it down and just make it nice and smooth. Yeah, and then like underneath the shelf at the back, that's where all the pipe work is leading up to the boiler, and that's where the washing machine connections are, but that's all going to be hidden by the washing machine, so I don't really need to paint that area. So it's day 2, and I've like filled in them bits. I'm going to have to sand them down today because they've dried. And as you can see, I've spray painted the pipes at the back, so I'll be painting that wall black. And then I can paint the shelf today and the walls as well. And then I could do the flooring maybe tomorrow actually. I don't know, but to paint the wall at the back, I'm just going to be using this little pot, a little tester pot from Homebase, and smooth black. And I'm going to do that now, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Quickly, from where I've done the spray painting, there's no like windows or anything like that. All this like dust is just everywhere, so I'll just have to clean up as well, which is another job to do, but at least it's not leaving a mark or anything behind. But yeah, I just thought I'd just let you guys know what this stuff on here is. So yeah. Okay, so here I'm just showing you the black paint from Homebase that I was using. I just used it to basically fill in all the gaps between the pipes, so that the whole wall would be black basically. I even used some of it on the pipes as well where the spray paint didn't reach, because it is quite tight back there and hard to get into like all the little nooks and crannies. But yeah, but the finish of the paints are very similar, so you couldn't really tell like the difference where I'd put some paint on the pipes. So yeah, done, and I like the way it looks. Now I'm going to do the shelf, so I've just put some newspaper down so that like, if any drips through or anything, then it'll be fine, because I know that this paint I'm going to use is very watery. And I'm using the Valspar Garden paint. I got this for £1 in a Wilko clearance, sorry. And it does say on there it's for like exterior masonry, but I have used it upstairs in one of the bedrooms, and I've just liked the texture that it leaves, so I've decided I like the colour of it as well, so I'm just going to use it on here, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so this is just one layer, the first layer of paint on there. Okay, this is after 2 coats. I'm just waiting for it to dry. But I really like it's like a sea type of colour. so I've managed to move this shelf a bit forward. Like this top bit just pops up and then I could move it forward. I didn't realise it could do that. My mum just came and told me. So I've moved that forward and went over like a little bit of the paint on the top. But I like that kind of like washed see effect. So I've left it like that. And I've sanded down like the little bits that need sanding. So I'm gonna start like the other bits of painting now, and I'll let you know. Okay, so I have spray painted these front pipes like a shiny black, which I absolutely love, and then I've decided to paint the walls white just to help the room look a lot brighter and just a bit more modern. Okay, so I finished painting this white wall. All the painting's done now, so I'm gonna do the flooring. Okay, the flooring is all done, all stuck down. I put these bottles on top just to keep it secure because this is the flooring that I purchased in my pound shop haul that I've done, which I'll put like a little thing at the top here. But yeah, so it only cost me £3 to do that floor there, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so the first mini DIY is photos to go in this photo frame in front of the plug sockets just to make it a little bit tidier in there. So I used paper, scissors, ruler and pen and drew out a grid of 5x5 squares. I then drew on some little flowers and voila! Okay, so for the next DIY, I got these artificial plants from Tiger for £3 each, which was an absolute bargain. And I got these little like sticky back steel hooks from the hardware store. You probably get them like even in the pound shop, to be honest, you can get them anywhere. And they're quite strong. They've got like the little stickers in the back so you can stick them onto like the ceiling or the wall or wherever. And I got 6 in a pack for £1.49, which is pretty good because they are 100% steel and rust resistant. Okay, so for the first thing, I got this tool. I don't actually know what these tools are called, but basically you just want to bend that little hook bit so that it like curls under, so that when you do like put your plant or whatever up there, it's gonna like properly hook onto it. Okay, so now that that's done, what you want to do is with these plants, because they are in that like polystyrene cylinder, you just want to like twist it and pop them out, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so now you want to get your plant and your hook and then just put it in somewhere that is like, it's got like 2 branches coming off it or something like that, so it'll be a bit more secure. And then you just want to use like your clippers or whatever it is, and, well, they're not clippers, I don't know what they are. And you just want to like squeeze down on the like little hook thing so that they're nice and secure in there and it's like tight. I did struggle quite a bit, but I'm pretty sure you guys will be better at using tools than me. Okay, and that's it. And once you are ready to stick them up, you just peel back that little layer on the front, and then you can stick them on like wherever, like the wall, the ceiling, wherever. Okay, and here's the final reveal of the room. I really like how it turned out. I put like the little plants at the top. I got like a little lampshade from upstairs that we weren't using, and I just feel like it's such a good transformation. But you know, I'm a bit biased in this, you know, I did it and I'm like a bit like, yeah, look what I did. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. that little thing of like the how-to I just got from the pound shop like ages ago. But yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, I'm just showing you the flooring. I'm super proud. All this